Okay, so what I've done is I started just at a random spot here, drew out a straight line. It's kind of parallel with the edge of the paper. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're just using the paper as a template anyway. Doesn't matter. So I started right there and measured out here 52 inches on that straight line. Got that dark mark. Then took my square. I guess I can just show you how this whole thing went. Took my square, long side, got the long side on the long line there. Put that corner on that mark. Came out here. Then obviously that's not long enough. So then take that long straight edge and butt those two up against each other there. Make sure this is on the line down here. This is on here, like that. And what happens is when you take this away, see, that gives you your perfect 90-degree angle. Then I came down with my tape measure, which is now here. And I don't know how I'm going to do this one. There we go. Sorry about that. So I measured from there, from that point right there, back 3 feet. Put a mark right there at 3 feet. Came off of this line down this way and pull my tape out. There we go. I'm not a professional videographer. I just thought this would be helpful for some folks. But so we're going to line this and the tape measure up there, and came down here 4 feet right here, put a mark right there, and then lo and behold, hope no one's offended by that, if you were to measure from this point right here, line that 5 feet up right there on that point, come over here to this point, boom. So there's your 3, 4, 5. We came 3 feet from this out this way, made a mark. Came down 4 feet this way from there down to there, made a mark. When you measure across the long end, it's 5 feet. So we know that that is an exact 90-degree angle. Basically did the same thing over here on this side of the paper. Laid the square out, used the straight edge to get the line coming out because we knew that was 90. And then to finish it, I laid the square back where we started originally, right there, and went down that direction. And when I checked it, cross corner measurement, which is always the best way to check a square, I was 1/16 of an inch off from this corner to that corner, and compared to this corner to this corner. So if you're 1/16 of an inch off in that square, that means you're 1/32 of an inch off overall out of square. So I'm not at all worried about being a 1/16 of an inch out of square. I think that's pretty doggone good. Okay, so we're going to move on to trying to figure out where all of this mess goes up on here. So that'll be the next video.